Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is February 19th, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is still in uptrend. I'm currently continue long the market with the strong stocks and ETFs, and I continue use option to trade the stocks on earning. Let's take a look at U.S. market indices. Well, actually, it's a world indices. Let's take a look at German DAX index. Seems like it might be forming a double head. That's not a good sign. We should see if the DAX index can go above this high. It should go above the previous high for it to continue go up. Otherwise, if it fall down here, if it cannot find support with the previous low, the DAX will be in danger of a correction. We don't know yet. We just have to wait for it to develop itself. US NASDAQ, a very strong uptrend. It's no stopping, just keep on going. US SP 500 index also continue going up. Gold, it's in an uptrend. It may hit a little resistance here. We should wait and see. Silver uptrend and stood above 200-day moving average. That's a good sign. Gold mining stock uptrend, and it's see if it can go above the previous high. Right now it's sitting at the 200-day moving average. Crude oil is consolidating. It's just moving horizontally. It's not going up and down. It's just a horizontal move. A crude oil ETF looks similar, but it's drifting down a little bit. Energy ETF is downtrend. It hits this resistance and came down. China Asia market and finished this little correction. It stood above 50-day moving average, and right now it's just in an uptrend. China ETF FXI uptrend. US biotech still oscillating, and right now it's going up, but it hits a previous high, so has a potential to come back down. US real estate ETF going uptrend, but the slope is not very deep, but nevertheless it's going up. This is the uptrend. Airlines ETF. Airline ETF seems like a reverse this drifting. Looks like previously it looks like it's going to go down, but last week it just reversed it. So this now become a flat base. See if it can break above this base, and then it will resume its uptrend. Copper is in the uptrend here. And social media network uptrend. This is turned up here. So right now social media network is in uptrend. Solar is turning up. Solar may be going to the uptrend. XLEO is a utility ETF. Utility ETF also reversed the previous downtrend. Right now it's going uptrend. The 50-day moving average is about to cross the 200-day moving average. That's golden cross. It's indication that the ETF underlying stock or ETF is going to the midterm to long-term uptrend. So that's the indices. Let's take a look at the stocks. We have some stocks get taken off. FXCX, that's not doing well. I add Broadcom and WAL. We should take a look at those stocks. The first list of the stocks are the stocks near the buy point. It's in the buy range. It's 5%, within 5% range above the breakout pivotal point. That's the stocks in the buy range. And the stocks more than 5% of the breakout pivotal point, that's out of the buy range. They're too extended to buy. Risk is higher. Let's take a look at those in the buy range. Broadcom just broke out again on Friday. Previously it broke out from here. It ran up pretty quick and now make a little base here, broke out again. That's the indication that the stock is very strong. Alibaba has to go above the previous high. This is a potential of a double top. We don't know for sure. It's still within the buy range of this breakout, but it may not be double top. It may be just forming a flat base here. The stock just going in a range between 100 to 104. And so if it can go above 105, that would be a breakout to the upside. So for now, it's in this little range. NVIDIA, we have to, NVIDIA comes to the point that it's either make it or break it. So it's near the 50-day moving average. If it can hold 50-day moving average, rebound from here, that's a buy opportunity. But if it cannot hold, if it stay below 50-day moving average in multiple days and cannot go above, that's a danger. And it may try to look for support around on the lower level, like a 95 and something. So we have to be careful and about NVIDIA. And PWR, this stock is in the uptrend and near the buy point right here. And Tesla is an interesting stock. Tesla previously had multiple buy point, but right now this most recent buy point is this pivotal point is this from this. You can think of this as a large cup base. So $269.44. That's a breakout from this cup base. So now it's within the buy range. And WAL buy point is $53.36. That's actually not quite accurate. Breakout pivotal point should be this one, the high point of this one. So right now it's within the buy range. Weibo, this is a Chinese internet stock. Breakout pivotal point is most recent one is 10 cents above 52.49, 10 cents above that here. Or after it go back up again, if it break up from 55.93, that's another buy point. So that's the stocks within the buy range. Let's take a look at the stock that's too extended. Adobe too extended. Applied Materials too extended. GKOS also too extended. Breakout pivotal point is right here, and this actually is a $36. This is a cup with a little handle here. And Netflix also too extended. Netflix most recent breakout pivotal point is right here, breakout from this high. So, and then they have previous more aggressive buy point, but most recent is here, and now it's too high. PRI also too high, and most recent is somewhere around $37 here. Now it's too high to buy. So those are the stocks on the list. And now next week, there are a whole bunch of stocks will continue report earning. We're on the earning season, and stock after stock, I just report earning. So I'm making a list here, high-tech companies, and Tuesday before open. Oh, actually, this is not a high-tech. Home Depot, that's not a high-tech. Anyone, the rest of it are high-tech. Tesla, Mobileye is doing in the so-called self-driving car business. They make the cameras and all that, sensors. Weibo, Chinese internet company. And Thursday, ACIA is a telecommunication company, and Baidu is also a Chinese internet company. So those are the high-tech companies report earning next week. Now we have an energy stock, Shell company. A whole bunch of them are report earning. I listed here. And retail stock, the stores, and those are report earning. Macy's, Walmart, TJX, and Nordstrom, JCPenney. So all these stocks will report earning next week, and just pay attention to the dates. You don't have to play earning. If you don't have to trade for stocks on the earning, but holding the stock long position over the earning is kind of risky. I usually just buy the option. what to do, and I will continue long the market, but I have the stop order in place, and I may use the option to trade the stocks on earning. That will be all for this week. See you next week.